Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you ever wonder why your home is always a mess? Well, today I am here to spill the beans and give you the inside scoop on why our home seems to be in a constant state of chaos. So grab a snack, sit back and let's get into it. First off, let's talk about glitter. We all have those items that we just can't seem to let go of, whether it's old clothes, random kick neck, and or even a stack of papers. Glitter can quickly accumulate and take over our living space. It's time to mitochondria our lives and declutter like there's no tomorrow. Next up, let's address our cleaning habits. Now, I know cleaning is not the most exciting activity, but it's crucial for maintaining a tidy home. Sometimes we fall into the trap or proscriptions of simply neglecting certain area. But hey, no judgment here. Let's make a cleaning schedule and tackle one task at a time. Trust me, a little bit of efforts each day goes a long way. So guys, another reason our home may be messy is due to lack of storage solutions. If we don't have a designated space for our belonging, they tend to end up scattered all over the place. Invest in some storage bins and shelf, or even a stylish ottoman with hidden compartments. Not only will this help keep this thing organized, but it will also add a touch of style to your home. Now, let's talk about time management. We live in a fast paced world where we're constantly juggling multiple responsibilities. It's no wonder our home get neglected sometimes. But fear not, my friends, by setting aside specific time slots for cleaning and tidying up, we can ensure that our home stay in tip top shape. Last but not least, let's address the elephant in the room, laziness. Yes, we have all been there. Sometimes we just can't be bothered to clean up after ourselves or put things back where they belong. But let's break these habits and embrace the joy of a clean and organized home. Trust me, you will feel so much better once you do. So guys, there you have it folks, the reasons why our home are always messy. Remember, declutter and establish a cleaning routine and invest in storage solutions. Manage your time wisely and say goodbye to laziness. Let's make our home a sanctuary we can be proud of, and that's a wrap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on keeping your home in order. Until next time, happy tidying. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.